Alright, we got a special episode for you. We launched this little drone called a Tinyhawk, and I thought, you know, it'd be pretty straightforward to actually launch it. Okay, so you would think it would be pretty easy to find this little guy, but all these rocks are about the same size, and there are lots of them. This is what happens when you try to fly a little mini drone out here in the desert and you have no clue what the hell you're doing. So instead of using the goggles that came with the kit, I used these other goggles that had a DVR record capability, and without that record capability I would have been toast because I wouldn't have been able to figure out where it went. I thought it was over that direction, but it turned out to be that direction. Okay, after searching 2 days trying to line up these pictures with where things are at in terms of the last pictures from the drone, and you can see all the different rocks pretty much look like a small little drone. Anyway, what I did is I lined up this one with this, and then I related it to this direction, which is this, and it turns out that the drone is here, right there, in amongst the bushes. Yep, I found it. So these little drones are fun. But what I recommend is that you get something with a DVR so that you can record your flight, so that when you do lose it, and I guarantee you, when you're first starting out, you're going to lose it unless you're flying it in a park with just grass. And even that might be hard to find because this thing is so small. So it's a lot of fun, but it does take a lot of practice. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that little story and my first person view drone experience.